What if turning a song into a music video took less than a minute? And zero editing skills? That's exactly what freebeat.ai does. Just upload your track or paste the link from Spotify or SoundCloud. The AI automatically analyzes the rhythm, energy, and mood of your music, then generates visuals that hit every beat, drop, and transition in sync. No timelines, no effects panels, no learning curve. Freebeat is perfect for creating attention-grabbing videos for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and music promotions without spending hours in editing software. Everything happens in one clean, simple dashboard. You can try it for free using the link in the description. Sign up with Google, Apple, or your email, log in, and you're instantly ready to start creating. Right in the center of the dashboard, you'll see the platform's three main features: music video, music cover video, and video to music. These are the core tools you'll be using to start creating right away. Over on the left side is the Agents panel and Toolbox. This is where all the creative tools live. Things like music and video agents, music to music, video ideas to code, plus a full library of music, video, and image apps. There's a lot to experiment with here. For this walkthrough, we're starting with music video. When you click it, the platform asks which style fits your track: singing, storytelling, or automatic. I'm choosing automatic, which lets the AI listen to the song and generate the video on its own. There's also a prompt box where you can describe a specific look or vibe. I'm leaving it blank so the AI can naturally follow the feel of the music. Below that is the character section, where you can add characters to appear in your video. Next, choose your aspect ratio. I'm going with 16:9 for a classic widescreen format. After that, select your resolution. I'm picking 1080p to keep everything sharp and high quality. Finally, we have captions. Freebeat offers a variety of caption styles with different fonts and effects. Choose one that matches your vibe, customize it if needed, and then click Add Lyrics when you're ready. Now let's choose the video style. There are tons of options to pick from, including photorealistic, cyberpunk, high energy, cinematic, sketch, city pop, pixel art, digital art, and more. For this tutorial, I'm selecting photorealistic and confirming it. You also have the option to remove the watermark at this stage. If you enter any prompt, you can take it a step further and enhance it with AI right from this platform. Next, it's time to add your music. You can choose from Freebeat's built-in tracks or upload your own song. The platform also supports links from a wide range of sources, including Spotify, SoundCloud, Suno, Udio, TikTok, Stable Audio, and Refusion. For this walkthrough, I'm pasting in my song link. Once it loads, you can play it to preview the track.
Nothing but the truth now. Nothing but the proof of what I am. The worst of what I came from. Patterns I'm ashamed of. Things that even I...
You can also adjust the video length to fit your needs. I'm setting mine to 30 seconds. You can even select the exact lyrics section you want the video to focus on. After that, you'll choose between fast and expert mode. Fast generates results quickly, while expert delivers a more cinematic look with enhanced camera movement and transitions. Next is the auto toggle. This determines whether the AI handles everything automatically or lets you approve each step manually. I'm turning it on so the agent takes care of the entire process. Finally, choose whether your video will be public or private. I'm going with public for this example. Once everything looks good, click Create and the AI will begin generating your video. On the left, you can watch the behind-the-scenes processing in real time. When it's done, the finished video appears on the right. And after just a short moment, the video is ready. Let's hit play and take a look.
All the beauty in the broken glass. The scars are part of me. Darkness and harmony. My voice without the lies. This is what it sounds like. the colors stuck inside my head. I should've let the jagged edges meet the light instead. Show me what's underneath, I'll find your harmony. The song we couldn't write, this is what it sounds like.
Wow, this turned out incredible. The visuals are sharp, dynamic, and perfectly synced to the music. The transitions, camera movement, and effects all come together to create something that genuinely looks professionally edited. What would normally take hours of work is now done automatically in just a few minutes, giving you a clean, polished music video that's ready to watch. From here, you can download the video with or without lyrics, or use Freebeat's built-in tools to share it directly to social media. Now, let's create a brand new video. This time, I'm switching to the bubblegum punk style to give it a completely different look and feel. Next, I'll pick a song from the list. Let's give it a quick listen. Sounds great. Then, just choose the video length and the lyrics section you want to use. Once that's set, click Create, and the AI takes it from there. And after just a short moment, it's done. Let's run it back. Okay, this turned out insanely good. The colors pop, the motion feels dynamic, and the lyrics land exactly on the beat. Everything looks smooth, professional, and ready to share. And that's the full process. Creating AI-driven music videos is honestly effortless. Pick a visual style, choose your lyrics section, and let the AI handle the rest from start to finish. What makes this platform stand out is the freedom it gives you. You can switch between styles like cinematic, cyberpunk, pixel art, sketch, photorealistic, or even design your own look. The AI automatically adapts to each track, keeping the visuals and lyrics perfectly synced to the rhythm, so every video feels clean and polished. If you want to try it yourself, check the link in the description and start creating your own standout AI music videos. And if this walkthrough helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss what's coming next. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.